Hey guys, so today I received this parcel from Muicin, Pakistan, and let me admit their delivery is pretty quick. Like I ordered 2 days before, I think 1 day before, and this reached me today right now. So let's unpack it, let's unbox it. So I ordered their rice facial kit. So let's see what we got. Oh, it's packed pretty good. See how I will open it. So this is the facial kit that I got. Let's open it. So this is the facial range. This is the facial kit that I got, and it's worth buying because they're, according to the price, their delivery is pretty good, and the packaging and the product itself is pretty good. And the price and details you can go check out on their page. I will link it down below. I will soon review these products, so stay tuned with me till then. Take care. Bye bye.